In recent years, the world of aerial photography has been transformed by the introduction of drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles have opened up new possibilities for capturing visuals from unique perspectives. Whether you are a professional photographer or an enthusiast looking to elevate your photography skills, choosing the right drone for aerial photography is essential. In today's video, we will be showing you exploring the world of drones and top picks for aerial photography. Without further ado, let's begin. Understanding drones. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have become a game-changer in the field of aerial photography. These flying machines are equipped with cutting-edge technology, including cameras, sensors, and stabilization systems, that enable them to capture stunning images and videos from the sky. Drones come in various sizes and configurations, ranging from compact consumer models to professional-grade drones used in filmmaking and surveying applications. With their ability to reach new heights and navigate through challenging environments, drones have opened up a whole new world of creative possibilities for photographers and videographers. Key considerations for aerial photography drones. When it comes to choosing a drone for aerial photography, there are several factors that need to be carefully considered to ensure optimal performance and the ability to capture outstanding visuals. Camera quality. Camera quality is perhaps the most critical aspect to consider in an aerial photography drone. Look for drones that feature high-resolution cameras with adjustable settings for exposure, white balance, and focus. A drone with a high-quality camera will allow you to capture sharp, detailed images and videos that truly showcase the beauty of the aerial perspective. Additionally, consider drones that offer advanced features like raw image capture, which provides greater flexibility in post-processing, and the ability to shoot in various formats, including JPEG and DNG. Stability and gimbal system. To capture smooth and steady aerial footage, a reliable gimbal system is essential. Look for drones that incorporate a 3-axis gimbal or higher, as it helps stabilize the camera and minimize unwanted vibrations and shakes during flight. A stable gimbal system ensures that your photos and videos are crisp and free from distortion, even when the drone is maneuvering or encountering wind gusts. Flight time and battery life. Longer flight times and extended battery life are advantageous for aerial photography. The ability to stay airborne for a longer duration allows you to explore different angles, compositions, and locations without the need for frequent battery changes. Consider drones that offer longer flight times and efficient battery systems to maximize your time in the air. Additionally, look for drones that provide the option for additional batteries, allowing you to extend your shooting sessions without interruption. Range and signal strength. A good range and strong signal transmission are vital for aerial photography, especially when flying in expansive areas or capturing shots from a distance. Drones with long range and robust signal strength ensure that you can maintain a stable connection between the drone and the remote controller, providing responsive control and real-time monitoring of your aerial footage. Look for drones that utilize advanced transmission systems and signal technologies to minimize latency and interference. Obstacle avoidance and safety features. Safety is paramount when flying a drone, especially in complex environments. Advanced drones often incorporate obstacle avoidance sensors and intelligent flight modes to enhance safety and prevent collisions. These features can include front, rear, and downward-facing sensors that detect obstacles and automatically adjust the drone's flight path to avoid them. Look for drones that offer advanced obstacle avoidance capabilities, along with other safety features such as return-to-home function and GPS-based flight modes, to ensure a smooth and worry-free aerial photography experience. Portability and ease of use. For photographers on the go, portability and ease of use are essential considerations. A portable and lightweight drone allows you to carry it easily to different locations, ensuring that you never miss an opportunity to capture stunning aerial shots. Look for drones that are compact and foldable, making them convenient to transport and store. Additionally, consider drones that are user-friendly and intuitive to operate, with features such as quick and easy setup, straightforward controls, and helpful flight assistance modes that cater to beginners and experienced users alike. Top picks for aerial photography drones. Now that we have explored the key features and considerations for aerial photography drones, let's take a closer look at some of the top picks available in the market today. These drones have been carefully selected based on their camera capabilities, stability, flight time, range, safety features, and overall performance. DJI Phantom 4 Pro. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro is a professional-grade drone that excels in aerial photography. It features a high-resolution camera with a 1-inch sensor, capable of capturing stunning 20-megapixel photos and 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The drone is equipped with a robust gimbal system for stable footage, obstacle avoidance sensors for enhanced safety, and a flight time of up to 30 minutes. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro is a compact and portable drone that offers exceptional image quality. It features a Hasselblad camera with a 1-inch sensor and adjustable aperture, allowing for impressive low-light performance and dynamic range. The Mavic 2 Pro also incorporates a 3-axis gimbal, obstacle avoidance sensors, and a flight time of up to 31 minutes. Autel Evo II. The Autel Evo II is a versatile drone that combines advanced features with a user-friendly interface. It boasts a 6K camera with a 1-inch sensor, offering incredibly detailed photos and videos. The Evo II features a stable 3-axis gimbal, obstacle avoidance sensors, a flight time of up to 40 minutes, and a range of up to 9 kilometers, making it suitable for capturing aerial footage in various environments. Tips for aerial photography with drones. Now that we have explored the world of drones and highlighted some top picks for aerial photography, let's delve into some useful tips to help you capture stunning photos and videos from the sky. Plan your shots. Before taking flight, it's essential to plan your shots. Scout the location beforehand, identify interesting landmarks or subjects, and visualize the composition you want to achieve. Consider the time of day, lighting conditions, and weather factors that can impact your aerial photography. Master drone controls. Familiarize yourself with the controls of your drone before venturing into aerial photography. Practice flying in open spaces, gradually building your confidence and understanding of the drone's maneuverability. This will enable you to execute smooth and precise movements while capturing your shots. The world of aerial photography has been forever transformed by the advent of drones. These remarkable flying machines provide photographers and videographers with the ability to capture breathtaking visuals from perspectives that were once impossible or prohibitively expensive. By carefully considering the key features and factors outlined in this guide, you can select a drone that suits your aerial photography needs and unlocks a world of creative possibilities. Whether you are a professional seeking to elevate your work or an enthusiast looking to explore the beauty of aerial imagery, the right drone can be your perfect companion in capturing stunning photos and videos from the sky. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.